Yo guys, and welcome back to this new video here on the channel. And on today's video I will be discussing the Bitcoin price action, where we have been forming a very significant bearish divergence on the 4-hourly candles. And a bearish divergence is always very significantly, and especially if we are forming one on the 4-hour candle. So make sure that you're going to watch this video till the end to find out about where the price action is most likely going to head towards. We're as well going to discuss the daily candles on Bitcoin to determine what to do right now here, and to determine if we want to be getting a little bit more cautious or a little bit more greedy right now here. So if that sounds interesting, make sure to smash up the like button. Of course, the more people that are going to smash up the like button right now here, the more people that will be getting exposed to crypto, and the more viral cryptocurrency videos are going to go here. So we'll be highly appreciating if you're going to smash it up right now here. And with that out of the way, let me start off with discussing what is most likely going to happen with Bitcoin. So like you can see here previously, on the approximately 23rd of August, we were seeing a very significant bearish divergence getting created over there. So we were seeing, of course, the RSI forming a lower high here in the price action, and the price action forming a higher high. So this was, of course, a very easy bearish divergence spot here. We saw that one, and of course, after that, we started to see the market moving down from there on. We as well created this critical level of resistance where we are currently getting rejected from. So if I'm then going to look at the price action right now here, you can see Bitcoin first of all getting rejected by this level once again, exactly on this previous 4-hourly candle as well. We got a very significant correction by this level, and right now as well we have been starting to see a Bitcoin forming a higher high here on this 4-hourly candle, but we are seeing the RSI forming a lower high. So we're currently seeing a momentum loss getting formed here on the RSI. The relative strength index is showing us a decreasement in strength, and that is right now giving us a signal that we are seeing a bearish divergence, and such a bearish divergence of 4-hourly candles should always get me a little bit more worried right now here. So it looks pretty interesting what we're having right now here, and I will be most likely going to expect here that Bitcoin is going to see an ever so slightly decreasement from here on, just like we did previously as well on the market. So make sure that you're going to pay attention towards this first of all. And then second of all, the reason why I personally have been anticipating this double top getting created here on Bitcoin is as well because of the daily candle. So it looks to be that Bitcoin has been forming some kind of an M pattern like you can see over here, and this is usually a bearish bias pattern as well. Such a significant touch of this level and such a significant correction, and not even in 4-hourly close above this level, is showing me that we are having a lot of sell orders around this level. And right now, together with this bearish divergence, I will be anticipating a minor pullback for Bitcoin before we're of course going to start moving up once again here, because yes, I'm personally anticipating Bitcoin to set a new all-time high anytime soon here, but I know for sure that Bitcoin is not going to crush through certain levels in a straight line here. So why I'm a little bit more bearish right now on Bitcoin, of course, I've been addressing this to several amount of people already here. The market structure on Bitcoin, it's very important to discuss market structure as well. If we're going to look at the 4-hourly candles in terms of market structure, you can see there has been a lot of distribution going around here in the past 11 days here. And this is pretty interesting to see here, since we're still trading around this level here. But if you're going to look at the daily candles, you're getting a little bit of a better view right now of what is ongoing here. So it looks to be that the buying strength on the daily candles is massively decreasing. We are seeing loads and loads of buying strength exiting the market right now, and the bearish and the sellers are basically getting their strength back into the market. So what I'm right now seeing here, Bitcoin increased very significantly. We were forming a higher high after that, and still an exponential higher high after that. And then we started to create diminishing returns, like you can see over here. We were not forming these exponential highs anymore here. And that was basically resulting in the momentum indicators to tell us that the buyers are losing their strength here. So if you're going to enable the momentum indicators, you can clearly see that we're losing huge amounts of momentum right now in the daily candles. And we have been seeing this several times in the past on Bitcoin. A lot of people are getting very greedy right now on Bitcoin. A lot of people are getting very they want to be accumulating a lot of Bitcoin right now, and they are right now saying that Bitcoin is going to go up towards 100k right now here. Personally, for sure, I will be in love if Bitcoin is going to do so, but me as a trader, I'm trying to catch every single move in the market, and as a trader as well, took some profits out of my position and out of my holding position right now here, since I personally do anticipate a very significant correction in the market anytime soon right here. So make sure that you're going to pay your attention towards it, because right now we are seeing the exact same market structure getting formed over here if the beginning of 2021 here, and right now we're seeing the exact same playing out here, and this could be maybe the local last stop that we are right now creating before once again starting to move down from off this level. So make sure that you're going to pay our attention towards it. And this is going to be definitely a very significant correction in my opinion. And the reason why I'm saying so is, yes, we are seeing the prices increasing. We're seeing all the momentum indicators telling us that we are losing buying strength, that we're losing the strength of the buyers right now. And basically that it is very likely to see a trend reversal from here on. So, yeah. Make sure that you're going to pay your attention towards it right now here. I've been warning you guys already several times about it. Yes, could be for sure take maybe another, let's say, a week or maybe 2 weeks before seeing this correction. Maybe we're first going to increase back towards $52,000 before seeing this correction. But I can tell you already, there is going to be a correction anytime soon here. And it's going to be very significantly if we're going to see one for sure. So pretty important to pay your attention towards right now here, especially if you're going to look at the 4-hour structure. You can see the market structure is right now forming and giving us some kind of a double top right now here. This could be for sure be very well anticipated with a short position entry on the 50.4k. But like I told you before already on my Twitter page here, I will be not for sure trade here for the coming days here, since I think the daily candles, the market is looking extremely bad here. Sometimes we're getting some bullish bias signals here in the market, and it will be still trading towards the upside that but right now we'll be taking a lot of caution and we'll be taking it very careful, and that's the reason why we'll be standing on the sidelines right now with trading the markets over here. So pretty important to pay your attention towards right now here. Make sure that you're not going to go to Rex City. And guys, as well, look at the suite here. I really want to be giving you guys bullish updates here on the market, but unfortunately right now I can't, because every single TA that I'm doing right now in the market is giving me a signal that we have to be bearish. So yes, I'm a huge bull on Bitcoin, but as well I'm a very honest translator of what the TA is telling you guys on what we are seeing right now here. So I will be always realistic with you guys. A lot of people here on the internet are going to say, oh, we're going to go up, and everything is going to go up, and we're going to go up basically. So for sure, that's not a thing that I'm doing here. I'm always trying to stay realistic with you guys, and for me, it has been proven the best strategy. Of course, we know the market of Bitcoin right now here, that we can just start to move up every single freaking time here. Even though we are breaking, we are creating bearish signals, we're still moving up. So pretty interesting. How is that going to be resulting here as well? Bitcoin was forming, of course, this lower high trajectory here on the 4-hourly candles. Yeah, we have been starting to change that once again here, since we have been right now forming a higher high once again, but still going to say that this is not an exponential higher high here, and this is of course still getting me a little bit worried, and still it's a lower high than the previous high over here. And for Bitcoin to flip extremely bullish, we have to be seeing a 4-hourly close above the 50.4k, of course. So let's see what Bitcoin can do here, and let's see how significant this bearish divergence will be here. If we're going to ignore it, I won't be surprised, because yeah, this is Bitcoin right now, and Bitcoin has a huge amount of FOMO, and it's a pretty young asset, and it still moves up here, even though we are seeing bearish indications playing out here. So make sure that you're going to as well pay your attention towards that. You can see over here Bitcoin on the 30-minute candles, we are right now moving up in an uptrend. We are moving up here, higher lows, higher highs getting formed here, top side providing resistance, lower side providing the support. Let's see how much significance this will be showing us, and let's see as well if we could be seeing a very significant breakout right now, maybe live on this video. So yeah, we are about to go for another retest of this level. I should be still saying to everyone out there, this is going to be a major resistance target for Bitcoin. I should be highly paying your attention towards this level, because yeah, it's going to be a major level that we have to be breaking through, and if we're not able to do so, this is going to be pretty interesting as well. You can see here previously we have been not even touching these levels yet here. Earlier today we did touch this level, and right now we are about to go for another touch here. If we're going to increase through towards this, I think yeah, the 50.7k approximately will be providing us massive amounts of resistance, and definitely can't wait to see where the market is heading towards it after that, of course. So as well, Bitcoin 12-hourly candles. Pretty interesting to see this. We just as well opened a new 12-hourly candle on Bitcoin. We of course moved down, then we started to bounce back up very quickly and very significantly. As well, guys want to be still raising the awareness. If we're going to create a higher high after this high over here, it is extremely likely as well to create a bearish divergence on the 12-hourly candles as well. So getting me worried, of course, and make me feel like we want to be a little bit more careful at the exact time of recording. As well, we've got a bearish divergence on the 6-hour candle, so we're seeing several bearish divergences right now playing out here, and giving me a signal and opting me for me right now to be a little bit more cautious. So guys, thank you so much for watching to this amazing new update video here on Bitcoin. I want to be trying to raise the awareness on the current ongoing bearish divergence that we create here in the market. So guys, thank you so much for watching once again here, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.